हिंदू से नफरत ये कुरान नहीं कहता, भारत की मस्जिदें तोड़ो ये श्री राम नहीं कहता, रोटी का कोई धर्म नहीं, पानी की कोई जात नहीं, जहाँ हो इंसानियत जिंदा वहाँ मजहबों की कोई बात नहीं। हिंदू है खतरे में, किसी को लगता है मुसलमान है खतरे में। धर्म का चश्मा उतारो मेरे दोस्त, पता चलेगा हिंदुस्तान है खतरे में। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन एंड माय डियर फेलो सिटीजन। When we talk about India, unity in diversity is India's strength, where every color, every languages and every tradition adds to the beauty of our nation. As for today, the theme of 78th Independence of India is celebrating freedom and embracing unity. I'm Sartib Aziz. Through my eyes, independence is a word that resonates deeply in the heart of every patriot. Independence is not just a day to celebrate, it's a way of life, and it's a reminder of the struggle of our ancestors who fought against all odds to break from the shackles of colonial rule. It's a tribute to their courage, their resilience, and their unwavering commitment to the cause of freedom. As I look around, I see a nation that is vibrant, diverse, and full of life. I see a nation that is proud of its heritage, yet eager to embrace change. I see a nation that is united in its diversity. I see a nation that united in its diversity, where every different color, religion, tradition, and languages coexist in harmony. But as a patriot, I also see many challenges that we face as a nation. I see disparities, inequalities, and injustice that still plague our society. The plague of our farmers, our workers, and our marginalized communities. And I know that our independence is not complete until we ensure that every citizen of this great nation is truly free. But how can we ensure that India's growth benefits all segments of society? And what does it mean to be responsible citizens in this great nation? Remember, patriotism is not truly blind on the nationalism. It's about working toward the country, the great nation, to become a great and by its people, and by respecting diversity and their freedom. As we are here for celebrating freedom and Independence Day, let us also acknowledge the achievement that we have made in science, in technology, in space organization, and many more sports. Like India has been rapidly advancing in the field of technology. The future of our India technology has been promising and rapidly advancing by its cybersecurity, blockchain, and many artificial intelligence. And I believe that our technology, the technology of India, has been growing day by day and spreading all over the parts of India. When we talk about India Space Organization, we have achieved so many notable achievements that are Mangalyaan Mars orbit in 2014, Chandrayaan 3 in 2023. We are growing rapidly in the space organization also. We are also giving a tough competition to many other countries in the world. I hope and believe that my word may change something, and I strongly believe that we are the nation which will be never be unsung. Thank you so much for your patience to hear me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.